Today we have a really cool Jaguar, a 1965 E-Type 4.2 liter Roadster. It has had only 2 owners from new, 44 years in total. I actually love the fact that it's Primrose Yellow. It's all matching numbers. It is original colors. It is restored and really dialed in well. So come on, let's take it for a ride. Okay, well, I've driven this home last night and I drove it in today, so I can assure you it started well cold with the choke up. We're also gonna start to try to start a trend of these cold starts. Let's just hope the car starts, and instead of the cold start, let's show people how the oil pressure comes up as it should, how temperatures are great, how pressures are great, and actually look at the car for what it is rather than a cold start. Because it's great that the car starts cold, but you know what, might not make it down the road. So as we said before, it was 44 years in single ownership. The most recent ownership is a good friend of ours who's also a racer. So when he restored the car, and by the way, it was exceptional prior to restoration. All the gaps are great. It is just one of those that, because he's a driver as well, it really is really dialed in well. I've driven on the highway, I've driven on back roads. Everything is working, and it is tight as can be, which is really cool because I've found E-types that have been cobbled up or have not had really exceptional lives. You can always tell the cowl shake or the bonnet fitment. This one is really nice. As we said, everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing properly. So we'll show you the whole braking in a straight line, awesome, tracking, awesome. We have just, even though the car was restored, we have just installed a brand new soft top because although restored a few years ago, let's just say it was shrinking a little bit. It didn't befit the rest of the car, so that's brand new. Hi!
Hello.
Obviously a Jag aficionado who likes Primrose.
And a dog who loves Primrose.
How do you know? What are you, a dog whisperer?
He looked enamored.
Yeah, maybe he thought you had a biscuit.
Maybe I do.
That's another Friday afternoon. Here we go. They have great power. They're easy to use. When sorted and restored properly, they're actually not a nightmare. You know, you can never compare this to a driver, if you will, that has, you know, old wiring and, you know, it just hasn't been gone through. So this is someone else's love affair, and a monetary love affair as well as love affair, which will be the next person's gift. So yeah, I don't know why he does this. I don't know why he does this. He just doesn't want to get out of the car. And for anyone who's watching, someone save me. Get out of the car, please.
Everybody enjoyed those flybys. This is one elegant ride. As Tom said, it's had one owner for the majority of its life, and I think that is something incredibly special. We've got lots and lots of records.
Kind of special as being an arborist.
That is pretty special.
You're a professional no matter what. Just go.
I digress.
Wait, we're gonna just go through the gears real quick.
How about we do that?
And then
Yeah.
you can come back. Second, as you see, this is the farm road. And E-types are just fun and they're sexy. These are really touring cars and meant for fun on the weekends. Something about looking over the bonnet on these. It's just really, really, really sexy. Can you tell everyone else about the car?
Yeah, love to. So aside from its beauty and power and ability, it is fully serviced, turnkey. It's been in loving, wonderful ownership.
Shout out to Mr. Zappa,
Yes,
previous owner
yes.
and restorer. You done well, kid. It's really nice.
So this is, you know, one of the rare ones where everything's been sorted cosmetically, mechanically. It is absolutely turnkey in a wonderful, wonderful color.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Have a nice weekend.
See you on the next one.